In this video, I show you how to create a new task in Jira. Open Jira and go to the project for which you want to create a task. There are several ways to create a task. The first way is from the board. Click on Create at the top and select Issue Type Task. Now you can fill in all the details about the task. It is also possible to create a new task from the backlog. Open the backlog and select Task. You can also click on Create Issue. The third way is from the timeline. You can create a task directly under an epic. Go to an epic and click on the plus button. Select Task and give your task a name. And this is how you can create a task in Jira. Don't forget to like and subscribe if the video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.